shit, we get back to the local way.
Run, Lewy!
Oh my god, more bird. Oh no. Nah. No, Daniel.
I eat birds for dinner.
You son of a bitch. You're really pissing me off. These fucking birds, man, they won't let me go.
I must get it!
Go, Daniel. Oh my god. It's watching you. Look, it doesn't care about you, but watch this, ready?
It's because I'm a sloth. Animals love other animals.
Oh my god, more birds.
Go for it, mate.
It's gonna fuck me up no matter what I do.
Run!
I'm scared of swooping birds. I've got suppressed childhood memories. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Be the fish.
I can't. Apart from being the fish, can I be the bird? If I go that way, I get attacked by a bird this big.
Be the eagle.
Maybe I get attacked by a bird like this big.
Bald eagle.
If I go this way, I'm for sure getting attacked by that bird with the big beak.